Now here's a little sneak peek at the project we're working on right now. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. It also explains why we have so much leftover wood. And being that we did, of course, my mind started going and I came up with a project. Today's video is part of the collaboration So You Think You Can Craft Wood Edition, hosted by Melissa Makes It DIY and my girl, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So here you see my wife. She is super sweet and helped me out with this project. She is cutting a hole through each one of the smaller pieces, and that is gonna go on the top of the chunky piece. And I just love these chunky pieces. I just thought immediately candle holder. So once she finishes cutting the hole, she is gonna attach the smaller piece onto the top and then give my whole piece a thorough sanding. And then it's my turn. I went to work applying one coat of Rust-Oleum gel stain in the color dark walnut with a Dollar Tree brush. I immediately wiped it down with a cloth once I had applied each side. I went through this process on each one of my pieces, and at first I thought the color was very dark. But as it dried, it lightened up, and I was very happy with the end result. After allowing my piece to thoroughly dry overnight, I applied a couple of coats of Rust-Oleum x2 Ultra Cover in matte clear. I probably should have used polyurethane, and I may go back and do that at a later time, but I had this Rust-Oleum on hand, and it also said it was a sealer and it was good for wood. So I figured, let me just go ahead and use that for now. And that's it. Project number 1 completed. Now moving on to project number 2. And this one, it's hardly even a DIY, it's just a refresh. I had this wicker basket, and honey, it had seen better days. So I came in with a couple of coats of Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover x2 in Canyon Black Satin. And it gave the basket a brand new life. I hope you enjoyed both of my wood projects today, and I hope that they gave you inspiration. Please make sure you stop by our host channels and show them some love and let them know that Amethyst sent you. If you liked today's video, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And leave me a comment because I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. And until next time.